Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I want to show you a mini album that I've completed. This is part of a series I have of tutorials, and this shows you how to make different page styles, and you could do the same page style for the entire album or mix and match the page styles. So this was the second page style. You may have seen a sneak peek at it with a different cover. I didn't like the cover, so I redid it. Lots of rose gold, so I apologize for the shine. It doesn't show up on camera real well, but it's real pretty. So the album is 8.5 by 9. And again, lots of rose gold. I'm sorry. Here's the cover. Inside cover. So that's just got a photo mat, and the page style is, here is the group of pages. So there's a flap on the front, a pocket inside, another pocket inside, and then another flap. And the pocket is also a pocket page with a photo mat inside. So there are 6 groupings or signatures of that. You know, I thought this would be nice for a wedding or bridal shower or graduation even. So you're going to get the shine throughout this whole album. There is not much I can do about that. So that's page set number 2. And I didn't embellish a lot. You know, I'm not a huge chunky embellisher. But again, I wanted to leave it so if you had wedding photos or graduation pictures, there would be lots of room to put it in this big album. And it doesn't have to be wedding or graduation, you know, just if you have a lot of pictures you want to put together. So the pages are 8.5 by 8.5. So you could do 5 by 7 on the page and even have room to journal. So I did a little bit of embellishing. This is a tuck spot. You can put a picture under there. And this I just cut into the paper a little bit and left it so you could add a small photo mat. I love this paper set, and the good thing about it is I still had some paper left over. I could make some cards, and as well I finished the paper pad. So that's always a good thing when you're able to finish a paper pad. Again, another little tuck spot, little embellishing. Oops, there's the photo mat. And these are 4 1/4 by 6 1/4, so it still would frame a 4 by 6 photo if you had it, or if you had one of the old-time photos, that would still work on there. And then here's the back cover, just a pocket. And there again is the album, and again, that's part of a series. Now, let me show you the paper pad that I used, and that's what I have for you today. That was using up the last of the paper pads and showing you the mini album using the page style number 2. Thanks for watching.